how's it going, guys? Jonah with Toasty DIY, and today I have a bit of a keyboard review for you guys. This is the Yunzii YZ75, and this is the keyboard that I've been using personally at the office here for about a month now. So what I wanted to do is kind of give you guys my unboxing experience, some of the key specifications, a typing test, and a bit of a review on how I think this keyboard turned out and how it's been going for me. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty, so first for the unboxing impressions. Overall, the unboxing experience is pretty good. Well, upon unboxing, you'll have the keyboard, you'll have a nice user manual, and then you'll also have a cap holder, a couple extra keys and switches from what you ordered. So I ordered the yellow switches, and I got two extra yellow switches, switch puller, and a couple extra keycaps that you can swap off to change the color on the keyboard. Aside from that, that's about all you're gonna get in the box, along with your power cable, which I already had installed, so you won't be able to see it in my little unboxing video, but it comes with everything you need there. Additionally, this whole case that it comes in, along with the little cover and sleeve, I think it looks really nice. So again, that's another plus. You'd like to see keyboard manufacturers at least kind of putting some effort into their packaging, because it just adds to the experience. There's a lot to like about this keyboard too. So I mean, some of the other key features that I liked about this was the die-sub PVD keycaps, the Gateron Pro Yellow Switches, and they have a couple other switch options that I really ended up liking actually. But I just wanted to go with the yellows because that's my personal favorite. Additionally, they also have a handful of colors. So they have a pink, a teal, a black, and a white. I opted for the black, so that's what you're gonna see here on the video. And additionally, the keyboard also does offer Bluetooth. I leave mine wired just so I don't have to worry about charging or anything. But yes, there is Bluetooth capability with this keyboard here. I'm not too sure on how it's set up, mainly because I don't actually use it. You might need to do some digging into the owner's manual and figure out exactly how that whole thing sets up, but overall, leaving the wire in for me isn't that big of a deal. So honestly, the software for this keyboard is actually much better than I expected. It's actually really easy to use, and there's a lot of features and a lot of customization you can do on it, such as adding custom keys, and there's a lot of RGB functionalities and options that you can choose from, so you can just pick to your liking. And there's also a performance tab on the HUD, so you can customize and set this keyboard up exactly how you want to your needs. And like I said, this keyboard has about 4 colors you can choose from, and about 4 switch options you can choose from as well. So it gives you nice options to customize and set up the keyboard how you want it. Again, I got the Gateron Pro Yellow Switches, so I'll go ahead and put on a typing test for you guys right now, so you can kind of see what it sounds like and see if you want to try the yellows. Hope you guys enjoyed that little typing test that I just did. Honestly, the stabilizers in this one, as you can hear, are pretty good. Honest impressions on this keyboard here, it's $91 on Amazon, and it's also Prime right now, so you can get it pretty fast. For $91, this is a really good keyboard that I honestly like just as much as my custom keyboard that I spent way more money on at home. And if you're looking for a nice, not too expensive keyboard, but not too cheap, this is a really good middle ground that I found that is honestly a really good bang for the buck. I mean, even though it's 91 bucks, you're entering like custom keyboard level of quality, and it has a lot of things to like. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this video on the Yunzii YZ75 keyboard. If you like this keyboard and want to purchase one yourself, there will be an affiliate link down in the description below. It will help us out. And if you like these reviews and you want to see more of them, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be doing some more of them down the road. And my name's been Jonah, and I'll see you next time. Peace.